How to use CapCut template from TikTok. First, make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, just simply update it to use this feature. Now let's open your TikTok app and click on the search icon on the upper right corner of your screen. Now, search for CapCut template. After that, you can just choose the template that you would like to use for your TikTok. After choosing one, just click this link button and choose CapCut Try This Template. It will redirect you to this page where you can choose Use Template in CapCut. Just click that and it will open your CapCut app. And from there, just click Use Template and you will be able to choose what photos or videos you would like to use for your template and click Preview if you want to see the result. If you are still not satisfied with the pictures or you want to replace or crop the picture that you chose, you can just click on that picture and then edit it. After clicking save, you can choose if you want to save it to your device or you want to save and share it on TikTok at the same time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.